Power. Everyone wants it, only a few understand it, and even fewer know how to use it wisely. In today's video, we're breaking down all 48 laws of power. Simply, clearly, and with real-life insight you can apply instantly. If you're ready, let's begin. Law 1. Never outshine the master. Never make those above you feel overshadowed. If your talent threatens their ego, they'll try to push you down. Respect their position and rise quietly. If that makes sense already, tap the like button. All right, let's move on to Law 2. Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Friends can betray out of emotion, jealousy, anger, envy. Enemies, however, act out of logic and self-interest. Often, they're more reliable when they have something to prove. If you're learning something new, hit subscribe. Let's continue with Law 3. Law 3. Conceal your intentions. The moment people know your plan, they can block it. Silence protects your strategy. Move quietly, reveal slowly. If that resonates, give this video a like. Now, let's move to Law 4. Law 4. Always say less than necessary. Powerful people talk less. The more you speak, the more you expose yourself. Silence creates mystery, and mystery creates respect. If you're enjoying this breakdown, subscribe for more. Let's go to Law 5. Law 5. Guard your reputation with your life. Reputation is power. A single mistake can destroy years of respect. Protect your image, defend it early, and never let rumors grow. If you agree, tap like. Let's continue to Law 6. Law 6. Court attention at all costs. People forget what they don't see. Be visible, be bold, stand out, but in a strategic, classy way. If you want more videos like this, subscribe. On to Law 7. Law 7. Get others to do the work for you. Smart leaders don't do everything themselves. They build systems, they build teams, and they take responsibility for the final result. Drop a like if you're still with me. Let's move to Law 8. Law 8. Make people come to you. Chasing makes you look desperate. When people come to you, you control the terms. Pull, don't push. Subscribe if this law hit you hard. Now we move to Law 9. Law 9. Win through actions, not arguments. You can't change minds with words. You change minds with results. Debates drain energy. Results win respect. If this helped, press like. Let's go to Law 10. Law 10. Avoid the unhappy and unlucky. Energy is contagious. Avoid negativity, chaos, and emotional storms. Protect your peace like a treasure. Hit subscribe if you believe in protecting your energy. Let's continue. From here onward, I'll give short, punchy, human-style laws with transitions plus CTAs. Law 11. Make people depend on you. Power grows when others rely on you. Become difficult to replace. If that makes sense, like the video. Moving on. Law 12. Use selective honesty. A single honest gesture can hide bigger intentions. Trust is built with small truths. Subscribe for more insights. Next law. Law 13. Appeal to self-interest. People help you only when it benefits them. Show them what they gain. Tap like if you get it. Let's go. Law 14. Pose as a friend, work as a spy. Observe quietly. Information is currency. If you're enjoying these laws, subscribe. Next. Law 15. Crush your enemy totally. Half victories lead to revenge. End conflicts completely. Like the video to support. Moving on. Law 16. Use absence to increase respect. Always available means less valuable. Disappear sometimes. Subscribe if you agree. Next law. Law 17. Keep others in suspense. Unpredictability disrupts control. Stay mysterious. Tap like. Let's continue. Law 18. Don't build fortresses. Isolation weakens you. Stay connected to people and information. Hit subscribe. Next. Law 19. Know who you're dealing with. Different people need different handling. Misreading someone can destroy you. Drop a like. Next law. Law 20. Do not commit to anyone. Stay neutral. Commit later when the best deal appears. Subscribe for more wisdom. Next. Law 21. Play the fool to catch the fool. Appear less smart than you are. People reveal more when they underestimate you. Tap like. Next law. Law 22. Use the surrender tactic. Retreat when you're weak. Save energy for a smarter comeback. Subscribe if that hit hard. Next. Law 23. Concentrate your forces. Focus beats scattered energy. One target at a time. Like the video. Next law. Law 24. Play the perfect courtier. Polite, observant, indirect. That's how you survive power circles. Subscribe. Next. Law 25. Recreate yourself. Identity is not fixed. You can reinvent yourself anytime. Tap like. Next law. Law 26. Keep your hands clean. Let others do the dirty work. Stay untouchable. Subscribe. Next. Law 27. Play on people's need to believe. Hope is powerful. Offer it and people will follow. Tap like. Next law. Law 28. Enter action with boldness. Hesitation kills momentum. Be confident, even if you're unsure. Subscribe. Next. Law 29. Plan all the way to the end. Think long term. See the final outcome before you start. Like the video. Next. Law 30. Make achievements seem effortless. Hide the struggle. Show the result. Subscribe. Next. Law 31. Control the options. Give choices that always benefit you. Tap like. Next. Law 32. Play to people's fantasies. People want magic, not reality. Give them dreams. Subscribe. Next law. Law 33. Discover each person's weakness. Everyone has a soft spot. Know it. Protect yours. Like the video. Next. Law 34. Be royal in your own way. Carry yourself with class. Respect attracts respect. Subscribe. Next. Law 35. Master the art of timing. The right action at the wrong time is the wrong action. Timing is everything. Tap like. Next law. Law 36. Ignore what you can't have. Desire creates weakness. Move on from the unattainable. Subscribe. Next. Law 37. Create compelling spectacles. People believe what they see. Use visuals to inspire. Like the video. Next law. Law 38. Think as you like, but behave like others. Blend in. Stand out only when useful. Subscribe. Next. Law 39. Stir up waters to catch fish. Emotional chaos reveals truth. Stay calm. Watch others react. Tap like. Next. Law 40. Despise the free lunch. What is free often has a hidden cost. Pay your own way. Subscribe. Next law. Law 41. Avoid stepping into great men's shoes. Create your own path. Don't live in someone else's shadow. Like the video. Next. Law 42. Strike the shepherd and the sheep will scatter. Remove the leader and the group falls apart. Identify the source. Subscribe. Next. Law 43. Work on hearts and minds. Win emotions, not just arguments. People follow what they feel. Like the video. Next. Law 44. Disarm with mirroring. Reflect people's behaviour back at them. It confuses and diffuses. Subscribe. Next law. Law 45. Preach change, but never too much. People fear sudden change. Introduce it slowly. Tap like. Next. Law 46. Never appear too perfect. Perfection creates envy. Show small flaws to appear relatable. Subscribe. Next law. Law 47. Do not go past the mark. Know when to stop. Victory becomes defeat when you push too far. Like the video. Next. Law 48. Be formless and adaptive. Water adapts to any container. You should too. Flexibility is the ultimate form of power. If this final law hit home, subscribe for more powerful book summaries. You just learned all 48 laws of power. Simplified, practical, and ready to use in everyday life. If you enjoyed this full breakdown, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next book.